Well, how's everyone doing, guys? Well, we're in the heart of January, and it's extremely cold and not so nice out there, so we're doing some maintenance, and I will flip the camera around here and show you what I'm working on. So, got my bit boards on the shark system, and been getting all these loosened up so they turn. And what I like to do, and I will do some video, but I just take a regular hammer and punch, and then hit them out halfway, take an air compressor, blow all the crap out of them, and then I take and put that spray-on moly graphite on the inside of the holders, and then I spray the bottom of the bit, and that's what keeps them all lubed up and rotating. And the nice thing about that slip plate is it does not attract dust or any of that stuff, so you don't have to worry about it catching all the gravel and like a regular oil would. So, but yeah, I will set the camera up here and I'll get some action shots and kind of show you how I go about keeping these things moving. These are pretty hard in there, obviously. We're getting them though. Now they got them all hit out for the most part. Take my bull gun, inside there. See how much crap comes out of there. Actually turning, so what I'll end up having to do is either hit them out and keep blowing, get that fine gritty crap out of there. So I'll keep working these out here. Sometimes if you get them all the way out, they'll until they're just about ready to fall off. And then sometimes you get air in there and they'll come out. obviously it can be kind of a bugger to do this, but part of the game, unfortunately. Like that one there I just took out just to show you, but you can see all the fine particles and stuff coming out of there. So I'll take my blowgun, blow all that fine crap out of there. And then you can see it's freely spinning now, but they kind of get built up on the inside of that retainer ring there. And what I'll actually do is I'll just clean this all up, and then I'll spray it with the graphite, and then I'll put it back in there. You do have to either use a plier. You gotta kind of pinch that ring and then get them seated back in there to go in. It's not the hardest thing in the world, but it can be kind of a bugger. And now we're spinning freely here, so now that I got that set, I'll take my blowgun and I'll keep hitting it in. Kind of keep working it back and forth. And then this is all I've been using is I get it from my RDO dealer here. It's just spray moly graphite. It really doesn't matter what kind you buy. I'll go ahead and I'll spray that on that bit. And then you'll kind of see it come through that collar. I'll spray it some more to get it all worked in there. And then I spray the bottom side of this bit as I rotate it. Keep that collar nice and lubed up and cleaned up. And then I'll just keep hitting that back in once it dries. And then I've already done these here. See how they spin freely. So that's what we're going after. You want them to move easily and spin freely. Well, I think there's like 100 of these bits. It's taken me probably a little over a day and a half to work on this. I haven't been working too terrible fast and furious on it, obviously, because it's slow time of year. But yeah, it's just something good to do to keep these turning and make your bits last longer. Also, on another note, I will be at Con Expo the first week of March. I will be there Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And so if anybody's going out to Con Expo, I'll maybe try to have a meetup out there or whatever. But I'll release some more information as that gets closer, obviously. But with that, I'd like to thank everybody for watching. And please take and like the video and subscribe to the channel. And we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.